Hello everybody, Ghostblade 1062 here with my first rolling stock review. Today we will be looking at the AeroFlo 2 coal gondolas in the Navajo Mine Railroad livery. Alright everybody, looking at the packaging for the AeroFlo 2 cars, we have the branding on the front of the box. The rest of the box is fairly plain with no additional information, with the exception of the left-hand side of the box. On here we have the product ID, this being car number 18 of the set. We have the model description, this being the AeroFlo 2 coal gondola. Then we have the railroad, this being the Navajo Mine Railroad, and car number being CAC 0042 Vincenti. Opening up the package, we see that the coal car is in this clamped together packaging, which when we pop it open, we reveal that another thinner sheet of plastic is wrapped around a piece of rolling stock. Folding that back, we can now take it out of the packaging. Looking at the coal car, we have some nice riveting detail along the side, as well as warning striping along the top and bottom of the coal car. We have molded in steps. We have a separately fitted brake wheel. On either side of the coal car, we have once again the road number as well as on the side. Looking in the top, we have some minor detailing. On the underside, we do not have too much detailing. We do have metal axles on the trucks, which is very nice. We do have some truck detail on the car as well. And flipping it over, we see the same detailing again on this side. And now, let's take it over to the track. Alright everybody. We will now be doing a drive-by of the Navajo Coal Mine Railroad AeroFlo 2 gondola. The train currently consists of the matching locomotive, as well as 17 of the 18 gondolas, to which I will be doing a follow-up video once I get into my possession the last one that I am missing. Here we have the Bensetto, Red Mesa, Standing Rock. Then we have two unmarked ones. We have Ramah, Torion, Upper Fruitland, an unmarked one. Oh, and we seem to... there we go. Nagazi, 2 Gray Hills, Rock Point, Nezad, Sweetwater, Beclabido, and that covers it for the 17 of the 18 cars that I have for this collection. All right. Have a great day, everybody.